Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, today, as promised, clutch slave cylinder. That little item, which lives here on the engine, that's got to be completely refurbished in both ways. Externally, the paint finish, and internally, with all the hydraulics, that's all got to be refurbished as well. The paint is okay, but it's gone grey, it's not a very nice finish, and it won't match the casing that it bolts literally straight to. So that'll be the next task, but before I do that, I've got to get it apart. Now, in doing that, you just take the piston out, then clean all the seals, polish everything, put it back together. So taking the piston out is the first thing, and it ain't coming out. Check that out. It's not like an ordinary brake caliper piston, which is a hollow cup where you can get things in there to grip it and pull it out. That's flush on top there. There's just a little dimple that holds the clutch push rod, but that's rounded. There's no way I can hoik that out. So I've got to pump it out from the back. And the easiest solution, you can use an airline, but it's jammed. It's not, airline won't get there. So the easiest way, the fail-proof way, is never let me down, is to pump grease into the hydraulic hole. You're literally treating it like what it is. It's a hydraulic unit. You pump grease in there with some force, that will come out, guaranteed. You've just got to make an adapter. So today, need a tool, make a tool. I've got to make an adapter that screws in there nice and tight and that I can pump grease down with my grease gun. And that's not as easy as it sounds. I'll show you. Right, there we go. That's got it stripped, inspected, polished, and absolutely spotless, ready to reassemble. Thankfully, the seal in here, the big main seal, is perfect. It's got a lovely sharp leading edge, as you can see, right on that outer rim, and that means it will completely seal perfectly for years to come. That doesn't need replacing. So again, saved a little bit of money there. Now, everything came up like new, a couple of new bits and pieces, new bleed valve, new banjo, but everything else will go back together. I want to paint it though, so now time to mask this up, scuff it up, degrease it, and get some coats on it. Right, there we are. It's all in the preparation, ready to go. That's going to take 1 tack coat, then 3 wet coats, then walk out the door. Same procedure as all the others. Come back to that in a couple of days' time, remove it, rebuild it, fit it to the bike, torque up the casing, and then fit the hose, and that is it. Underline everything hydraulic and move on, do something else. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and I'll see you next time.